Look at all the snow. And it's only gonna get worse. Well, guess I should shuffle that. Hi there everyone, your Power Al here with another vlog. So, from that last clip, it's snowing. It's still snowing actually. I had to do some shoveling outside, which wasn't that bad earlier, and I actually shoveled twice just because the snow never stopped coming down and just continued to accumulate. So yeah, I had to go outside and shovel the sidewalk twice, and I mean, it wasn't that bad or anything, but it was cold. And actually, we are in the middle of a snowstorm right now, so I think it's gonna continue snowing throughout the night, I want to say, and then sometime in the middle of the night it's just gonna turn into rain, which would be nice because I prefer having rain over snow just because the snow is just super cold. And I mean, I feel like lately I have been more tolerable of the cold, but I'm still not a fan of it. So yeah, now raining will give us some issues because it can just cause the snow to freeze over and turn into ice, and that's still a problem, but I'm not working tomorrow, so I don't have to worry about that. But yeah, I think it's actually snowing in around where Rob lives as well. He lives more further up north than I do, but like the general New England area I know is still getting hit with snow. I saw a feed of Times Square in New York being just being filled with snow. So yeah, and I think actually I'm not too sure what the difference between a snowstorm and a nor'easter is, even though I've lived here my whole life and I should know, but I think at some point earlier today it was a nor'easter in some parts of the snowstorm, but I don't know. Also, speaking of snow, this reminds me, a few days ago I came across some files when I was just looking through my computer, seeing if there was anything I needed to delete, and I came across some old files that were filmed a long time ago. At this point, I want to say late 2013 / early 2014 was when they were filmed. They were filmed with my iPod Touch, which was what I was it's what I was using to film the vlog for like the first 200 vlogs I did, and the files I came across were of Angelo just doing random things outside of his apartment complex in the middle of the snow, because we had this idea, me, him, and Riley. It was to just release a parody Christmas album or something like that. It had something to do with Christmas, but it was to release a joke album, and there would be a music video of just Angelo doing things in the snow, and the amount of footage was not nearly enough for whatever this idea was. It all came down to like under, I think it was under a minute of footage, but seeing it just reminded me of that and how weird it was that we decided to do that, because there's just one clip of Angelo just sliding on the parking lot of his old apartment complex. Or just like standing in his car.
Alright, and then once you get to the center, just like stand up if you can, and then just try to do some sweet dance moves. Can you see it?
Kind of.
Not really. Alright. You wanna go over by the light next? Be careful.
Taking out the trash in the middle of snow.
Is it frozen?
So, it was fun. And I don't think I ever mentioned this old music video idea because nothing ever came out of it, but when I came across those old clips, it was just, oh, that was fun. I remember when we did that. I miss those times. Just driving over to Angelo's place, well, Angelo and Riley's like old apartment before both of them moved off and did their own things, but I miss hanging out over there. Angelo said, because I messaged him when I found those clips, like, oh, I found these, and it's like, we should still do something with this. So maybe sometime in the future I can contact Riley and be like, hey, we have like under a minute of footage of Angelo just dancing in the snow. We should do something with it. So yeah. That was like the first thing that came to my mind when I saw that it was snowing earlier today. I was like, oh, it's snowing. I have footage of Angelo in the snow. But yeah. Anyways, that's really gonna be it for this vlog. Got it on a bit of a tangent there, but it is still snowing. I'm at least cozy inside because it's at least warm in here. And I did record some Omori earlier today. I recorded 2 episodes. I think I might record another one tomorrow, but I don't know. But that's gonna be it for this vlog. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you all next time for another one. Just a random strand. Later.